In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to make a website like Uptime Robot. We'll walk through taking a project you've published on Replit and setting it up for uptime monitoring using Uptime Robot so you always know when your site is reachable. I'll keep things simple and explain what's happening at each step. First, head over to Replit in your browser. Once you're on the Replit homepage and signed in, look for your workspace area. Click the highlighted section that shows your recent or saved projects to open your list. Next, select the specific project you want to monitor. This should be the project that serves a public web page. Open it so you're inside the editor and project dashboard. Inside your project, publish it if you haven't already, or republish to make sure the latest version is live. Then, click the link or chain icon to copy the public URL of your site. This URL is what Uptime Robot will check on a schedule. Make sure it's the full address, ideally starting with HTTPS, and that it opens successfully in a separate browser tab. Now switch over to the Uptime Robot dashboard. Sign into your account, then click on New to start creating a monitor. This begins the setup process that tells Uptime Robot which site to watch. When prompted, paste the URL you copied from Replit into the field. This is the address Uptime Robot will ping to verify your site is up. Take a second to confirm there are no typos and that the link loads publicly without needing a login. Go ahead and click Create Monitor. This adds your site to your list of monitored endpoints. If you see an onboarding screen next, you can either follow the prompts to review the initial options or simply choose Skip to continue. The defaults work fine if you just want to get monitoring started quickly. Click Finish Setup when you're done with that screen. This saves your configuration and moves you toward your dashboard. You may see a final prompt offering extra guidance. Click Nah, get me to dashboard already to jump straight to your main view. And that's it. Your monitor is live. From the dashboard, you'll see your website listed with its current status and checks running at regular intervals. If your site goes down, Uptime Robot will catch it and reflect the change here. You can leave this running in the background and return anytime to review uptime history and performance trends. That's all for today. Thank you.